So now we do have the app installed, so the next thing is to go ahead and activate the app. So click on here, and then click on Assistant, and then click on Use SIP account. Now this page is going to ask you for the username and password. So we start here. So you just need to go back to your account and use the username and password that you did receive. Here we have to put in 3 information there: username, password, and also needs to go in right here where you have the display name. And then after that, just click on Login.